Hello friends, now I'm going to show you how to disassemble Lenovo G50 series laptops. Turn the laptop around. First we have to do is to remove the battery. Slide these sliders to the sides and remove the battery. Now unscrew these 3 screws to take out the back panel. After we have unscrewed the screws, just slide it and take out this back panel. Now what we see here, the RAM memory and the hard drive. How to remove the RAM memory or upgrade or everything you want, just slide these hooks to the side and the RAM memory comes out. Next, if you want to upgrade the hard drive or to replace it with a new SSD, just unscrew these 4 screws and slide it to the left. Take out the hard drive. Now we have to unscrew all of the screws of this panel. Be careful not to remain any screws on the back panel. To remove the optical drive, we need to unscrew this screw. Let's see if there is any remaining screw. Yes. Also, we have to unscrew the Wi-Fi module. Take out the cables carefully and unscrew the module. I just want to show you, I use a magnetic pad with all of the screws, just to be sure not to forget any screw. Now turn around the laptop. We have to take out the keyboard. How to take it out? With a sharp tool. Just pull up the upper side of the keyboard, pull it, and we have to take out the interface cable. Just pull up the connector this way and take out the keyboard. After replacing the keyboard, we need to take out these cables the same way. Just pull up the connectors, and now with a plastic tool we need to disassemble the laptop carefully. Slide the plastic tool between the parts of the laptop. Carefully pull up, and this is it. Now if we want to replace the thermal grease, we need to take out the main board. How to remove it? Just remove the screws, but first cables. Here one more cable. Yes, that's it. Be careful with that cable. Just push it up. And this is the main board. Now to replace the thermal grease, we have to unscrew these 2 screws and also these 4 screws. Take out this heating element and replace the thermal grease. And that's it. Good luck and thank you.